Dan writes in, I was covering equity in the MCQs and saw some partnership related questions. I've seen some folks and providers say it's covered and others saying it's not covered for FAR, just regulation. I couldn't find it in the blueprint for FAR on the AICPA website. And can you clarify if I should study this or I should skip it? All right. So this question gets asked a lot, and it's so yeah, you're correct. Partnership, and so the CPA exam tests partnership basis from a on regulation from a tax perspective, but then also the journal entries to form a partnership. And so partnerships used to be on the FAR blueprint, it's not anymore. So does that mean it's not testable? We all thought it wasn't, and so I reached out for clarification by the AICPA one day, and they were kind enough to tell me that while technically it's not, it's not on the blueprint, it is still testable. So what does that mean? If you are a ninja, the question doesn't say if you are. Yeah, you must be. Yeah, because Ninja MCQ has some questions in the equity section about partnership tax, which is why I get emails. Hey, is your stuff up to date? Such and such doesn't have it. Yes, it is up to date because it is testable. And if I were studying for partnerships on FAR today, I would read the Ninja notes over it, and that's probably about it. I would maybe do 10 questions just to get a flavor for them, but it's not a major topic by any stretch. So yeah, that's how I would handle partnerships for FAR.